Hi, Laura.
Good to see you.
Good to see you. I'm ready for my class.
Okay, come on. Oh. Ah.
What? All right, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay, come on, let's go.
All
right, so we're going to put that right leg in the back. Your right one, yeah. So you're going to lift your knee. Let me see you do that. Okay. Ooh, be careful. And then you're just going to make sure your leg goes straight. Point your toes. Yeah. Make it fast, though. We want to make that fast. Ooh, look
Point
at
the
that.
toe?
Yeah. So just a little.
Oh, point the toe upward.
Point the toe. You want to just, yeah, point it. Do something with your hands. Good. Okay, you got the other side? Yep, okay.
Right and left.
Yeah, okay. We're going to stand sideways. So we got a side kick. So when you do a side kick, you're going to lift up your knee, press your foot out straight, then you bend it back in front.
Really?
Really?
Okay. So
that's a complicated kick for the most part. Whoa, look at you. Yeah.
is that okay?
That's good balance. Yep, but that's got to be fast now. So it's going to just be fast.
All one movement?
All one movement. Yeah. Something like that.